Michigan. By Audrey,
Naomi,
Zach. Researching fertile soil, white pine trees.
Hi, this is Joe from eattheplanet.org. Today I'm going to show you how to identify white pine. Pine in general is easy to identify from the other needled evergreens such as spruce and fir. I'll show you the primary identification feature for pines in general first. So this here is a few trees mixed together, one of which is a white pine. First of all, pine needles are grouped in these little groupings called, these little brown coverings at the bottom are called fascicles or sheaths, and they group the needles into specific numbers. So white pines, I'll pull off a grouping here. White pines are a 5-needled pine, although a couple of needles fell off of this group. There we go. So you can see the 5 needles there in a single grouping. Spruce and fir are individually growing off the stem. Pines are always grouped. So other pines such as red pine and Austrian pine that have 2 needles per grouping. So that's the primary identification feature, and that's also the length of the needle is going to tell you what type of pine it is. So white pines have approximately 3.5 inches. The needles are approximately 3.5 inch length, and that's a good identification feature for white pines. White pines can get gigantic. I've seen white pines that are around 100 feet tall, and they grow very quick, so that could be another identification feature. I'll show you the bark here.
Hello everyone, today we will be interviewing Zach from this white pine tree farm, and my assistant and I will be interviewing him with a couple questions. Here we go. How tall does a white pine tree grow in 1 year?
They can grow about 2 and 3 feet in 1 year.
Would you want to plant a pine tree in an open area?
Yes, you should plant it in an open area.
How long does it take for a white pine tree to grow?
It takes 5 years for a white pine tree to grow.
What does a white pine tree need to survive?
The tree needs water, soil, and nutrients to grow.
What kills white pine trees?
White pine tree blisters kill white pine trees.
How long does a white pine tree last?
About 200 years until we cut it down.
How many states are white pine trees in?
There are 189 locations in the world where they grow in.
How far apart should white pine trees be planted?
You should put them around a 7 by 8.
Now it's time for me to go to my meeting, so my assistant will be coming in.
Hello, my name is Naomi, and I will be doing the last 2 questions of the interview. How much are the white pine trees at your tree farm?
They could be about 50 to 250 per tree to buy.
Okay, why do white pine trees turn brown?
They turn brown because it shows death.
Okay.
You heard it here first.
Today I will be interviewing Zach from a white pine tree farm, and my assistant and I.
Hello, my name is Naomi, and I will be doing the last 2 questions. How much are the white pine trees at your tree farm?
They could be about 50 to 250 per tree to buy.
Okay.